Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use the Trader Wagon and copy other traders in spot and futures markets. But to use this portal, you need both Binance and Trader Wagon accounts. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can sign up with the link below for a lifetime 20% discount on your spot account transactions. Also, we have an exclusive welcome reward for those who sign up for Trader Wagon with the link below. Here it says $800 worth of welcome gifts for new users. You must sign up to Trader Wagon, join Trader Wagon and Coin Engineer Telegram channels and start trading by the end of December 16. You can find the Telegram links below this video. 10 users will earn $30 each and 50 new users will get $10 each after signing up with the link below and start trading or copying other traders using Trader Wagon. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channels. Now, let's get started. Trader Wagon is a trading platform where you can copy other traders or start sharing your portfolio for others to copy and earn an extra 10% profit from each successful trade they make. Trader Wagon is a Binance product. For that reason, you must have a Binance account first. You can watch our Binance tutorials to learn how to open a Binance account and activate the futures trading option. You can sign up for Trading Wagon with your email accounts or phone numbers. In either case, the crucial part is to fill up the referral ID with the correct letters. After signing up, we must complete our MFA and bind our Binance account. Click on the profile icon and select the security option. Here you have the Google Authenticator, phone number, and email verification settings. And you can link your Binance account to Trader Wagon. Let's start with the Google Authenticator. Click on Enable button and it will ask if you have downloaded the application. After downloading the application, click on the Next button and it will generate a random QR and key code. You can either type the key code or scan the QR to add Trader Wagon to your Google Authenticator. You must save the key code because if you lose your phone or change it, you need this code to enter your account. Continue and it will ask for verification from your email and Google Authenticator accounts. Once you complete that, click on the Next button and here it says Google Authenticator enabled. Now we must link our Binance account. Here click the link button, confirm the authorization and again type the security codes to approve this process. Congratulations, you have completed both requirements. Let's see some of the benefits of using Trader Wagon. For example, you can copy other traders with a minimum of $100 budget if you are a beginner or don't have time for trading. Also, if you are an expert in trading, you can create your portfolio with a minimum of $500 and start sharing with other traders to earn 10% for each copy trade they make and another 10% from the trading fees. However, if you choose this option, you won't be able to copy any traders anymore. So you must think very carefully before you apply for this option. Last but not least, unlike transferring your assets from one platform to another, linking your Binance account with Trader Wagon, you can copy or start any trade as if trading from the Binance exchange. And it applies the same gas fees charged by Binance. Here, click the wallet button and you will see every coin you have listed in your Binance spot account and you can track your latest transactions. Now let's continue with the Portfolio Center, the heart of Trader Wagon. Here you can read the latest articles for the community members and track other lead investors to copy their trade strategies. You can add them to your favorite traders by clicking on the star icon and adjust your filters to see the total P&L as I'm doing or change it to others such as copy traders, win rate or API. The important part is to check every trader's success rate, portfolio budget, return on investment ratio and followers. For example, you cannot copy this person's trade if you don't have a minimum of $10,000. Also, you cannot use the trade option for long or short positions if you are not a lead trader and letting others copy you. And if you're a copy trader, you don't need this page at all. Here, as you can see, it says to copy other portfolios. I currently have $300 in my spot wallet and can only use this person. Before copying any trade, you must pay attention to the statistics such as the runtime, win, total P&L, and revenue of investment rate of every trader. Here I select the fixed ratio, add the amount I would like to invest, set my profit range, put a stop loss limit for my investments, adjust my leverage preference for this transaction, and click on Submit button. Here click the View button and it will direct you to your dashboard. There you can see your ongoing and closed portfolios. You can close your positions or adjust your previous settings for your open investments. For example, you can transfer additional cash from your Binance Spot account to your current transaction, or you can change your leverage, take profit, and stop loss limits. Last but not least, if you want to become a lead trader, click on the lead trader button and fill up the form with your information such as a nickname, email address, and a short description. Click on the submit button and you will receive a notification within 14 business days. If your application gets declined for any reason, you can apply only after 7 business days. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events and more educative videos like this. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.